It is Tuesday afternoon. We're out here in the shop making a gate for us to go hang tomorrow out at Ozark National. We're going to be installing 20 foot of 12 foot 9 gauge on plated posts. So we have about 6 12 foot posts to plate. We're going to hang this gate. I'm not sure the layout yet, but the reason why we have a couple of extra braces here at the top is because it's going basically underneath some sort of a roof or something. And they were installing some lights or redoing the rafters, and we weren't quite sure where those were going to hang down at. So we basically put the gate at 12 foot, which is where it should be. We put another brace at 11 and another brace at 10. And that way, when we get out there, if there is stuff hanging in our way, we can pretty easily come in with the angle grinder and cut the gate and make it shorter if we need to. So we're throwing that together today, and we'll be out tomorrow to install it. Yeah, I definitely want that up in there. Oh, holy craps. That's a tight one. Once I get this on, it ain't coming off. Yeah! Success.
Gone with the weight of the world on his shoulders.
Profundo magnifico! Holy moly! Oh, holy moly, that's a tall one. Damn it, John! Hi.
Hi.
My name's John.
Hi. Are you new here?
Cut some pipe.
Pipe cutter.
This is directly in the middle, right here, right on my finger. So we just wrapped up the 12 foot gate for tomorrow. We've got one plated post done. We got 5 more to do. We're going to weld those up and pull the material, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, so everything's pretty much loaded up. Matt's organizing some stuff over there. We'll get everything strapped down, and then we're gonna head out and install this kind of weird gate. Give me content, John. Content.
We've made it. We are out here in Branson at close to the top of the rock. We're at a golf course. We are getting ready to go down in the basement of the clubhouse to install basically a merchandise cage so they can put material away and locked up. So we're getting ready to throw some material on the side-by-side and bring her down a tunnel, and we'll get after it. First gear, baby.
First gear, baby.
Now.
Keep it up, buddy.
Did you catch my hand signal? This way, bro, this way.
Oh crap, I can't see you.
And then over here, we've got the single swinger with a couple of little sections of fence, another 10/8.
I think we should do it just because.
We would be ruined.
That, I mean, we're talking, it'd take an hour to get that back. Like,
Totally
not even
would.
kidding. I mean.
Totally. We'd have to unstrand each strand and carry each strand down.
Okay, I'm going to stand here.
Very safely.
So that way it takes me out and maybe to slow it down.
Very safely.
That way Braden will fall down and we can catch the wire, and then we'll just
Exactly.
go get hit.
Almost home.
We're almost there.
And this should be right at 10 foot right here. We have made it down into the corner down here at the bottom of the clubhouse. We brought 12 foot material with us because we weren't sure exactly the height of the ceiling. Now that we're out here and we took a quick measurement, as you can see up here, we've got some lights and some conduit for electrical. We got a couple other things to kind of worry about, but We went ahead and decided to cut things down to about 10 feet, and that'll leave just a little bit of room up at the top, which I think is what they were after. But we went ahead and cut everything down, and now that it's all prepped, we're ready to start throwing in the post.
Butt knuckle.
Butt knuckle!
Eric now has to cut knuckle this whole thing.
Cut her down.
Here's a time lapse of Eric's fine work.
Out tripping.
We are throwing in the other set of posts on this line here. We got this these 4 posts done. There's going to be 2 little sections of chain link on either side and a 4-foot walk gate to get into the cage, and then this will just be one straight shot of chain link. So they probably have a 15 by 10 foot room, something like that.
We're getting there.
We're getting
Throwing tension bars on, getting some top rail put up. Tension bands on tension bars.
There you go. Well done.
Beautiful. Magnificent. It'll be alright.
I'm like digging for the nuts and they're on my nipple.
Oh,
I forgot I put them on my nipple. We're really gonna have to dilly dip this.
Yeah.
Show me how to dilly dip.
Way down. Get this on camera. The dilly dip.
Okay, you dilly dip this way. Okay, now
Matthew, I told you should have dilly dipped further
let
down.
me get the ladder and I'm gonna bend it up there.
That's step 1 of the dilly dip.
A little bit.
A little bit time more, time bit more, time bit more. There we go. Now send it down. Successful. Voila.
Dilly dipping.
What cool tool are you using there?
That there's a bear claw. It's a bear claw.
Bear
OZFence.store.
Claw. Shameless plug. OZFence.store. Get it now. 3
Wait, that's
inch,
a leopard.
4 inch, 6 and 5
That's
eighths.
the bear.
Inch and 3, inch and 5, inch and 7. Rawr.
That's not a bear either. That's like a.
Rawr.
That's the dad coming
Rawr.
at me.
Rawr.
Yeah. Go ahead and just get on in there.
Come on, get.
Alright.
We're almost done. We got one more run of chain link to do, and then big bang boom, we're out of here.
Dilly dip is the answer.
Dilly dipping's the answer.
There we go.
There we go. Woo! Dilly dipping success.
Hold up, hold
Back
up,
up,
hold
back
up.
up.
A tad, back up.
Okay.
Okay.
Finish that dilly dip. Finish your shrimp.
Can you nut me?
Alright, I'm gonna push.
Yep.
Alright.
I'm gonna dilly dip right in there. Boom!
Boom.
Hold her steady, hold her steady. Piccadilly, 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 boom. Yeah.
That easy.
What am I doing?
Just holding that for just 1 second.
What are we doing today, Braden?
We are building a fence.
Look at how close Braden and Matt are together. And this is the distance between them. He is very clearly significantly further down.
If you can, push on the post
This way?
the
Okay.
whole post. There we go.
Oh wait, hold up. Oh, my bad.
You good, you good?
Okay.
And.
Oh,
Perfect.
she's a bendy one.
Okay, I got her. Nothing's too hard for the fence boys.
Yeah. The finger guns, that really does it.
I know.
Look at these.
Look at
Man, this
that.
was a great purchase.
The pliers saving the day again.
Eric was right for once, actually.
I was
you gotta,
right.
You gotta give it to him. He
It's
was
on
next
camera, it's on camera.
Are we about done, Matt?
Yes, this is the last tie.
Last
And
tie, and then you got the dome cap.
Then throwing on the domey. And then we got about a mile-long hike back to the truck. And then we'll be out of here.
Thanks for tagging along, guys.
Nothing's too hard for the fence boys.
Look at them go. Big, strong boys. Doing a good job. It's really windy up here.